Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the last command that shows recent logins, such as the last time you logged in, but with the logins shown in reverse order, the most recent showing up first. Typed without any arguments, last will show all the logins recorded in the current varlog wtemp file. This is the file that saves login information, including usernames, dates and times, the terminals used, and incoming IP addresses. If you're only interested in one particular user's logins, you can supply that username with the last command. Here we see that Nemo logs in infrequently and from different IP addresses, though it might be that the system in question has a dynamically assigned IP address, and these logins are actually all from the same system. We can also see how long Nemo spent on the system, 3 or 4 hours in some of the logins shown. Depending on how often a system is logged into, a wtemp file might cover a long period of time, maybe months or maybe only weeks. Wtemp files are generally rotated based on file size or age. For example, whether they reach 1 megabyte in size or a month has passed. The etc log rotate.d wtemp file shows us how these settings are made. In this case, the settings cause the file to be rotated once a month if the file has reached 1 megabyte in size. Note that older wtemp files, look at some here, they'll have a file extension like .1 or .2. Well, that's your Linux tip for today. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.